Speaking with sentences. I am boiling water for pasta. I am boiling water for pasta. I am chopping onions for salad. I am chopping onions for salad. I am baking cookies in the oven. I am baking cookies in the oven. I am roasting chicken with herbs. I am roasting chicken with herbs. I am tasting the soup. I am tasting the soup. I am kneading dough for bread. I am kneading dough for bread. I am blending a smoothie. I am blending a smoothie. I am peeling potatoes for soup. I am peeling potatoes for soup. I am grating cheese for the pizza. I am grating cheese for the pizza. I am marinating the fish in lemon juice. I am marinating the fish in lemon juice. I am slicing the cucumber. I am slicing the cucumber. I am washing the lettuce. I am washing the lettuce. I am mashing the potatoes. I am mashing the potatoes. I am cracking the eggs. I am cracking the eggs. I am mixing the salad. I am mixing the salad. I am pouring the sauce. I am pouring the sauce. I am melting the chocolate. I am melting the chocolate. I am spreading jam on the toast. I am spreading jam on the toast. I am flipping the pancakes. I am flipping the pancakes. I am grilling steaks for dinner. I am grilling steaks for dinner. I am sauteing the garlic in olive oil. I am sauteing the garlic in olive oil. I am mixing the ingredients for the cake. I am mixing the ingredients for the cake. I am seasoning the meat with spices. I am seasoning the meat with spices.